Good morning, sir. I'm Giselle Aspenvides from BSCS to ABA. So this is my simple calculator. Create a VBANet program named Arithmetic Operations with a form to input two numbers and buttons for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Create a calculator class with methods for each operation, then initiate the class in your form to call these methods and display the result. So this is my design, sir. Ito. So, ito yung magiging public class calculator, which is this one, the text box, and the text box 2. This is the public property num1 as a double and public property num2 as double. This public class calculator declares a public class name calculator. The public The public property num1 as double and public property num2 as double. These properties to store two numbers that the calculator will operate on. This public subnew, this constructor that initialize num1 and num2 with the values provided when a calculator object is created. For this public function multiplication, this multiplies num1 and num2 and returns the result as a string. And this method also, in addition, adds num1 and num2 returning the result as a string. Ganon din sa subtraction. This method subtracts num2 from num1, returning the result as a string. This method attempts to divide the num1 by num2. The conditional check is incorrect. It should be checking for division by 0 and will always return true as written. If num2 is 0, it currently attempts to show a message back instead of returning an error string. So this is my public class form1. This declares a public class name form1 which represents the main form of the application. Each of the bottom is click method is an event handler that is triggered when the corresponding bottom is clicked. The first bottom one is this method creates a new instance of the calculator class using the values from text box 1 and text box 2. It calls the multiplication method and assigns the result to the text box 3. For the bottom click 2, private sub bottom 2, this method operates similarly to bottom 1 but it performs addition instead. It calls the addition on method and display the result in text box 3. Bottom 3 click. This method handles subtraction. It creates a new calculator instant and calls the subtraction method to display the result in text box 3. Ganon din sa bottom 4, similar, this one handles the division. It calls the divide method which may return a string indicating an error if the division by 0 is attempted.